So the topic is evaluating limits analytically, and we're looking at this particular problem here. We got the limit as x approaches 5 of x squared plus 2x minus 35 over x squared plus 11x minus 80. So if you've worked any of the other problems, we know that we end up taking this 5, do the direct substitution, we get 0 over 0. So probably what we need to do is factor, and it looks like probably we'll be factoring both of these and canceling out like terms. Easy enough. Let's move on into the classroom where the whiteboard is located. There it is. Got it. Okay. And actually, I gotta make sure I got the right problem written down on a piece of paper here. Okay, that's the right problem. Alright, we've got the limit as x approaches 5. And of course, you want to be writing this stuff down because math is not a spectator sport. You got to get in and play the game. And then we have x squared plus 11x minus 80. So take my word for it, when we plug 5 in, we're going to get 0 over 0. So we want to factor this, and that shouldn't be too difficult. And let's factor the numerator. We know it's going to start with an x. Both of them are. And of course, 7 and 5. And 7 and 5 is 35, so that's all we got with that. So that shouldn't be too difficult to figure that out. And we want a positive 2 here, so this would have to be, the bigger number is going to be positive, right? And then minus right there. Alright. Now let's do the same thing with the bottom. We have x. Now this one here, we can get 80 quite a few different ways. And I believe if we looked at, I'm going to save you some time here, 16 and 5, 16 times 5 is 80. Okay, so let's make this, since this is a positive 11, we'll put the bigger number here, make it positive, and then of course minus 5, right? Okay. Okay, so now what we want to do is cancel out some like terms and then just simply rewrite the limit. You must rewrite this limit now, it's important. X plus 7 over x plus 16, and now we can do our direct substitution and get that number out. So the top part here looks like 12 over, and then the bottom part, I think is that 21, 7 and 3, 12, so I don't see anything, 3, yeah, 3 actually. 3 goes in 12 4 times, doesn't it? 3 goes into 21 7 times. So that should reduce down to 4 sevenths. I hope. Let's find out. Oh, there it is. And of course we hit the help button there. And as you can see, I go through the same procedures. However, this isn't reduced. So you'll want to reduce this completely down. I think at the time I didn't have a function to reduce that, but in later problems I am reducing the fractions down, so I'm sure at some time I'll go back and fix that. But anyway, factor, cancel like terms, then do the direct substitution.